Eating chicken wings, categorized for clarity under health, nutrition, social and lifestyle, culinary, and emotional and mental well-being benefits. Poultry leg health benefits. High in protein, builds muscles and repairs tissues. Contains healthy fats for energy. Supports immune function with zinc. Provides B vitamins, B6, B12, for energy metabolism. Rich in iron, supporting red blood cells. Contains phosphorus for bone health. Delivers selenium, an antioxidant. Supports thyroid health. Promotes healthy skin with vitamin B3, niacin. Boosts metabolism via B-complex vitamins. Helps in maintaining blood sugar stability. Contains choline, good for brain health. Contains collagen, especially from skin, good for joints. Helps with tissue repair post-exercise. Good for post-surgery recovery. Lowers risk of sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Boosts testosterone with zinc, especially for men. May aid weight loss if grilled or baked. Provides essential amino acids. Strengthens bones with calcium, especially in slow-cooked wings. Cut-of meat nutritional advantages. Affordable source of high-quality protein. High satiety, keeps you full longer. Low in carbs, keto-friendly. Contains omega-6 fatty acids. Can be enriched with herbs/spices for added antioxidants. Nutrient-dense relative to its size. Bone marrow, if consumed, offers deep nutrition. Broth from wings is rich in minerals. Contains glutamine, supports gut health. Wing skin has glycine, supports sleep and detox. Lowers risk of nutrient deficiency. Provides energy without sugar spikes. Helps balance electrolyte levels when cooked with salt. Ideal for muscle gain diets. Chicken skin contains stearic acid, a heart-neutral fat. Wings are less processed than many snacks. Supports hormonal balance with B vitamins. Encourages clean eating when homemade. Can be used in high-protein diets. Good for recovery meals. Fork and knife culinary benefits. Versatile, can be fried, baked, grilled, smoked, etc. Easy to cook. Absorbs flavors well. Great for meal prepping. Can be served in countless flavors, barbecue, buffalo, lemon pepper, etc. Popular in many global cuisines. Perfect for dipping sauces. Excellent as finger food. Wings work well in soups and broths. Perfect for spice lovers. Inexpensive meat cut. Easily available in most regions. Can be part of balanced meals. A hit at parties and gatherings. Can be customized for dietary needs, low sodium, no breading, etc. Excellent protein option for kids. Can be air-fried for healthier results. Perfect for game day food. Great alternative to red meat. Delicious when marinated overnight. Family man woman girl boy social and lifestyle advantages. Brings people together at events. Fun to eat, engaging food experience. Encourages communal dining and sharing. Easy to serve to a group. A go-to comfort food. Popular in sports bars and gatherings. Great for outdoor BBQs. Encourages mindful eating, hard to rush wings. Widely accepted across cultures. Often part of holiday and festive meals. Suitable for casual and formal meals. Can spark creativity in cooking. Helps people try new flavors/spices. Food bloggers love wing recipes. Makes home cooking exciting. Brain emotional and mental well-being. Comfort food, can reduce stress when eaten mindfully. Associated with good memories, childhood, game nights, etc. Increases satisfaction due to high flavor. Can lift mood with satisfying texture. Eating with hands can feel grounding and primal. Sensory pleasure, crunch, flavor, warmth. Helps reduce emotional hunger. Can boost morale during hard times. Sharing wings enhances bonding. The anticipation of wings can boost dopamine. A nostalgic food for many. Treat food that can act as a reward. Boosts appetite when feeling unwell. Great for date nights or friend hangouts. Mindful eating of wings can reduce anxiety. Associated with celebrations. Combines fun and flavor. Helps create tradition, e.g., Wing Wednesdays. Offers a break from routine meals. Can be used in rituals or themed events. Brain flex biceps bonus advantages, miscellaneous. Teaches portion control, wings are smaller units. Can be turned into healthy meals with veggies. Useful for culinary training and practice. Easy to store and reheat. Just delicious, and that's reason enough.